Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Ooh, ooh. All right, y'all. So right now you can't tell me I'm not cute, honey. I'm telling you, you can't tell me I'm not cute. But for real, y'all, before we get into this video, I need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you're always on alert when a new video drops on this channel. But as you can see from the title of the video, I created this look using nothing but drugstore products. I mean, you can go to Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, whatever kind of drugstore you have. 9 times out of 10, they're going to have all these products. And everything that I use will be listed in the description box below. Everything. I mean, like, simple. I mean, you can find all this stuff right there. Like, nothing was, like, majorly expensive. Didn't cost a lot. Half these products I already had. I think the newest thing I picked up was probably like the actual Maybelline SuperStay matte ink. And what color is this anyway? It was in Poet, and I did that, but I live for a neutral like lip, so I just paired that with the baby lips also from Maybelline as well. And, you know, versus having like that matte look, but this is how it turned out. I'm loving it. Like, this is like a natural, everyday, you know what I'm saying, kind of look. Like, this is super simple, super easy. So yeah, like, I really hope y'all love the look and how everything came out. I'm definitely loving it. Like, now I feel like I need to go out the house because I really wasn't going anywhere, but definitely wanted to film this look because I just thought it was bomb.com. Let's get into it, Yes, 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 honey. So if you want to see how I created this look, just stay tuned, like, pretty much. And we're going to do this whole walkthrough of how you create this look. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. There's definitely more videos to come. Like, I have so much coming up, like this spring. Of course, my birthday, you know, it's Taurus season right now. Just had to throw that in there right quick. Team Taurus. So if you're a Taurus, drop me a comment like down there or whatever so I can support the cause, you know what I'm saying? Because I appreciate my Taurus babies. Like, love y'all. So, yeah, without further ado, let's really get into this video. Let me stop talking. I'll stop playing. All right, here we go. So you'll see me starting to prime my face, and I'll be using the Maybelline, let me see, what is this? The Master Prime. It's in 100. This is the Blur and Smooth edition, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. Like, make sure that your face is completely covered in this. And then next, we are going to be moving on to our eyebrows, and I will be using my Rimmel pencil. Like I said, all this stuff will be listed below. I might show like a few little things. If you can actually like see the words and everything else, I'll show them. But if not, then, like I said, it'll be listed in the description box. So I'm using a Rimmel London pencil in 212. That's rich brown. And I'm going to do both sides. And remember, everybody, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So they will not look exactly alike. But you try to get them like as close as you can possibly get them. Just like, please believe me. You don't want them looking extra crazy. I mean, they are sisters. And so moving on from there, I am going to be taking my concealer, and this is actually like new. I've never used this one before ever, and you know, I kind of like the consistency of it. I wish it was a little lighter, but I didn't want to take any chances with just using the concealer. But this is in Fonts, and I'm going to put that on the top and the bottom of my eyebrows, and I'm going to make sure that I blend it out really, really good. I mean, you're still going to see something and everything else, but you know what I'm saying, don't be afraid, because you're going to blend all this out so you won't see it. And then from there, we are going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to use that same concealer, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. And from there, I'm going to smooth it out with my finger, make sure it's all nice. And then I'm going to be taking my Airspun, which I didn't show it at first, but I'm going to take that powder and I'm going to dab that all over my eyes to actually set the concealer. And from there, I'm going to go to the eyes, and we'll be using the the Maybelline palette. Like I was just all over Maybelline, you know what I'm saying? So we're using the City Mini palette, 400 in Rooftop bronzes, and we're gonna go through. I'm gonna make sure that I'm showing you every color that I'm using while I'm doing my eyes. So we're gonna let you get all into that and make sure that it's good to go. And we're gonna make sure you blend, blend, blend. Like blending is key. If anybody ever told you about that when it's time to do your makeup, blending is key. Get you, like, you don't need the best brushes, but you want them like really close to good. You don't want all the little hairs and everything else from the brushes coming out. We're also going to take that same concealer and we're going to put it over the eyelid just to kind of be able to set a base for that golden eyeshadow that we're going to be using. So we're going to dab that all over the inner part of the eye to about the middle, and we're going to do that on both sides. Whatever I do on the left side, I'm going to do on the right side, left side, so on and so forth. We're going to do that. We're going to make sure that we blend that all out as well and make sure that that is good to go. Then we're going to take that darker shade and we're going to put that like right on the outer corner of your eye. And then you're going to go and take that lightest color and you're going to highlight your brow bone. Now you want to make sure that you actually blend that out. And so it's just not like standing completely out. I mean, you do want that nice little highlight up under your brow. Then we're going to get down to lining our eyes. And I actually used the Covergirl Intensify Me liquid liner in 300 Intense Black. Now I can honestly say I wasn't like a major fan of this like eyeliner. I actually wish it was better. Like I'm so used to using my NYX eyeliner, and it's like perfect. Like you get that perfect dark line right off top. Like it's amazing. But moving along, as far as going to foundation, with the foundation we are using also Maybelline foundation, and I think I had it in coconut, and it actually like it's perfect. It gives me like that summer like bronzy kind of look and everything else, versus like, you know, this winter time I've been like super pale, so it actually gives me a little bit more color. And this is for 24-hour wear. Like I said, everything will be in the description box. And we're going to also go back to the concealer. You're going to highlight up under your eyes, down the bridge of your nose, chin, and your forehead as well. And you're going to blend, blend, blend. And I'm actually using my Sonia Kashuk beauty blender, which I think I actually got that from Target. I really like the way that it works. Really, really nice. And make sure with these beauty blenders, any beauty blender that you use, that is actually wet. You want to make sure that it's wet. Do not use anything dry. It is not going to be a good move for you, I promise. After we done like blended out all that concealer, we're going to take the Airspun and we're going to set everywhere that you had concealer, because you do not want this to crease. It's not going to be the move. After you done did that, we're going to let that sit. We're going to bake a little bit, and then we're going to start our bronzer, which I am using the CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze. And I love this. It is so bomb. Like, I swear the camera does not do it justice. And we're going to do this. Always go around like my forehead and come down, you know, to my jawline, you know, to kind of get this great contouring, slim your face out or whatever, because I do have a big face. So to slim that face out. And after that, we're going to get a brush and we're going to wipe off, we're going to swipe off all that powder. You do not want your face looking cakey. That is not cute. Don't let anybody tell you that it's cute, because it's not. Then we're going to move on to the Rimmel pencil. This is the Rimmel Kohl pencil. And this is great for the waterline. Like, it doesn't irritate your eyes or anything. Believe me, like, it took me a while to find one that was like really, really good and worked for me. But this one is perfect. We're going to move on to blush, and I am using a Milani blush. What this in Rose, and like I said, it'd be at the bottom because I can't remember. And then we're going to go back and to that same CoverGirl bronzer, and we're going to actually use that to contour my nose. Then we're going to move on to our True Match powder in Essence Tan, and we're going to go around and just bring some more color, you know, back to your face. of course, highlight. Ooh, yes. Favorite part, we're using the Maybelline highlight, Master Chrome, and what was that one in? Oh, yes, in Molten Gold. So we're going to highlight right on top of our cheekbones. Get it popping. Then we're going to use mascara, and we're going to be using the Big Shot mascara. You're going to put that, always put mascara on your real lashes before you actually like put your falsies on. And we're going to be using Nicole Guerrero's the Vlogger Series lashes, and I love these. Like, I love the look. And I'm going to use our Duo lash adhesive. So you want to make sure that it's actually tacky. That is the best way to put your lashes on. Like, you don't want it to be still wet because it's not going to sit how it's supposed to. So I'm going to apply my lashes. And after that, I'm going to take that same mascara and I'm kind of going to go over and brush my lashes to kind of blend in with the falsies. You want to definitely want to make sure that you do that. You don't want them like separated, or you don't want a gap. So try to get them close to your lash line as possible. Please make sure that you do this. Or if not, make sure that you take that same coat pencil and get down and tight line your eyes as well. I'm also going to use the Maybelline Clear Gel to actually set my brows. And then we're going to go to the Milani spray, setting spray, which is new, but it smells so good. Like, I love this. I mean, I'm going to always be a Fix Plus girl, but it smells so good. Then after you do that, honey, it is a wrap. You are done. You have completed your look. Shine bright, stun on them. Ooh, kill them. Let them know you did it. You came, you slayed, you conquered. They not ready, you know? And hey, show up, show out, and show off. You did it, boo. You did it. It's all about you. I really do hope y'all have enjoyed this video and really liked everything about it. Like I said, this is very affordable, very easy look, very easy and simple to do. If you're new to this, I think this is a great actually, this is a great makeup tutorial to do. Sorry, something caught my attention, y'all. Y'all know how I go. But yeah, you're gonna get this done, and go ahead. If you recreate this look, like, and you upload it anywhere, make sure you tag me on Instagram or Facebook, because I would definitely love to see it.